Is WhatsApp not working on your iPhone? Don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through how to fix the issue. Let's jump right in. Before doing anything else, make sure you have a stable Wi-Fi or cellular data connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and cellular data to see if that resolves the issue. Try airplane mode on and off. After trying these basic things, if your issue is still alive, then follow these advanced solutions. Solution 1. Clear WhatsApp cache. First, open up the Settings app. After that, tap General. Then tap iPhone Storage. Find the WhatsApp app. Here you will find the WhatsApp app. Tap on it. Now tap on the Offload app. Again, tap the Offload app to confirm. Next, tap Reinstall it. Solution 2. Enable Background App Refresh. Go to the Settings app. Tap on General. Scroll down. Tap on Background App Refresh. Again, tap on Background App Refresh. Now select Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi and cellular data from here. Then go back. Scroll down. Find the WhatsApp app. Make sure to toggle it on. Now go to the WhatsApp app and try to open it again. If you still have the same issue, then follow the next solution. Solution 3. Update the WhatsApp app. Go to the App Store. Tap on the search icon from the below. Now type WhatsApp. Now tap on WhatsApp Messenger and tap on it. If you see update option available there, then update the app. Check your issue to see whether it is solved. Solution 4. Reset all settings. Open Settings. Tap General. Scroll down. Then tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. After that, tap Reset. Now tap Reset all settings. And enter the passcode of your iPhone if it wants. Tap Reset all settings again. After resetting all settings, go ahead and check whether your problem is solved or not. I hope this works for you. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay tuned.